A good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with this additional, the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, January the 8th. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one, yes, the binary puzzle. It's binary time number 7762. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So let's start ones. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Number O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So let's start O's. Number O, here 1, there 1. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So let's start ones. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So let's start O's. Number 1, here no, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 2 minutes. This one is very quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one, yes. One of the fastest binary puzzle I've made. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.